As the largest integrated telecom service provider in Taiwan, Chunghwa Telecom not only advances but also pursues excellence in cooperation with its partners. We aim to build an always broadband-connected environment with mobile, fixed broadband, and mesh Wi-Fi services. Having a mobile network with the highest market share in revenue and subscribers, we also outperform peers on mobile network speed and rank first globally in Taiwan for mobile network speed and coverage. Having the highest market share in Taiwan, we deployed fixed networks and broadband access extensively for speedy and stable service. We protect the security of the enterprise private network by providing solid cybersecurity, cloud, and big data integrated services. We provide solid firewalls for cybersecurity to support enterprise changes. The convenient digitized stores offer the highest level of service to customers. The largest video platform, MOD, streams 4K videos, creating a high-quality experience for customers. Chunghwa stays connected with the world by having the first internationally certificated internet data center in Taiwan. With our own satellites, the largest number of submarine cables, the maximum bandwidth, and comprehensive landline with multiple backbone backup, as well as service locations deployed around the world, Chunghwa Telecom enhances the competitiveness of Taiwan's multinational companies. With 5G, Chunghwa Telecom can go beyond its core services by pioneering the future and undergoing a digital transformation. Smart Shipping provides real-time monitoring, management, and online services by utilizing 5G, satellite broadband, and Wi-Fi connectivity on the ship. To build an innovative 5G experience, Chunghwa works with different sectors, including industrial ecosystems, city and township transformation, local redevelopment, and smart city applications. Additionally, we established an urban security network with IVS, upgrading the transportation industry with smart IOV, which generates new business opportunities. We assist local medical resources to provide comprehensive and smart community services. Smart Home makes MOD not merely a platform of entertainment, but rather the core of life. Chunghwa Telecom is a pioneer of smart living and an enabler of the digital economy.
永远走在最前面，中华电信。